I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming where the call was hosted and why you need the recording. Log into the app or device right away because many systems archive by account and date. Once done, filter by the approximate date, caller ID, or meeting name to reduce results. This makes retrieval fast and reliable. If you cannot access an account, request permission immediately from the admin. Without access, you cannot retrieve archived files even if they exist. Now dig into the app storage and cloud folders. Look in the recordings library or voicemail section and apply filters by date and participant. Make sure to check linked cloud drives and device folders like downloads or recordings because some systems store locally first. If the list is long, export a file list or metadata so you can scan timestamps and formats quickly. Once you find likely files, preview short segments to verify content before downloading the full recording. Finally, download the highest quality original and save a copy in a secure folder so you preserve evidence. Play the beginning, middle, and end to verify it's the correct call and confirm timestamps and speaker identity. This prevents mislabeling. If the recording is missing or truncated, check backups and retention policy, then contact platform support with account details. A quick troubleshooting tip: if downloads fail, try a different network or use the provided.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.